Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn global warming. What is the impact on the world? What is global warming? Global warming is the gradual and sustained process of increasing the average surface temperature of the earth. What are the triggers of global warming? Global warming is caused by increase in concentration of greenhouse gases in the earth atmosphere, including burning fossil fuels. Global warming is caused by increase in concentration of greenhouse gases in the earth atmosphere, including deforestation. Widespread forest logging or deforestation also contributes to global warming. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as part of the natural carbon cycle. When forests are logged, carbon dioxide previously stored in the tree is released into the atmosphere. What are the environmental impacts? Natural disaster, floods, droughts, storms, extreme climate change, heat waves, rising sea level. What are the social and economic impacts? Economic losses, impacts on agriculture, tourism, and other sectors. Public health, threats to the human health. Efforts to address global warming, international agreement, the Paris Agreement and its objectives, government and private initiatives, the roles of government and corporations. Individual actions, reducing carbon footprints, saving energy, sustainable transportation and recycling, education and awareness, the importance of a rising awareness about global warming. Let's make the world a better place.